Welcome back. Thank you for joining me. This is part 2 of our beginner meditation series. Please make sure you check out part 1 if you have not already done so. So, one of the biggest misconceptions about meditation is that we are trying to achieve a blank mind with absolutely no thoughts. And that's not quite how meditation works. What we're really trying to do here is to develop enough awareness so that when our mind does begin to wander or we begin to daydream during meditation, we become conscious and aware of this and we're able to bring ourselves back and then return to the rise and fall of the breath. So what we're doing is we're trying to elongate these pauses and spaces between our thoughts. And over time, with more practice, these pauses will become longer and longer. Let's begin where we left off with steps 1 and 2. Go ahead and find your way to a comfortable seat, reaching tall through the spine, and place your hands palm down on the knees. When you're ready, close the eyes. Bring your awareness to the breath. Notice where in the body you feel most connected to your breath. Begin to feel the sensations of each inhale and exhale. So we are here, mindfully watching the ins and outs of the breath. But then suddenly, a sensation snaps you out of your mindfulness and grabs your attention. The mind now stops looking at the breath and goes to investigate. The sensation might be a dog barking, the smell of food being prepared, discomfort in your body, or remembering a text that you forgot to send. At this point, identify what has distracted you, a sound, a thought, or an emotion. Whichever of these sensations is being called upon, label it. So you might label it hearing, smelling, or feeling. The work here is to not engage with the thought or sensation, but to observe it and then label it. By labeling it, you become aware of it. You acknowledge it. You observe it for what it is without allowing yourself to go into any deeper thought. For example, maybe your mind has wandered and you're thinking of the text that you forgot to send. Now in your mind, you're preparing and writing it. But this is the active mind working, and we want to be observing. So label the sensation. In this case, it could be remembering or planning. And then do your best to let it go. Return the awareness back to the rise and fall of the breath. The label itself does not matter, but that you observe it and then let it go. Continue doing this until you become mindful that it's just a thought or a sensation. We don't judge the thought or label it good or bad or become intertwined with the thought. We just observe it in a detached manner and then let it go. Now let's look at discomfort. Maybe your leg is starting to fall asleep, or you have an itch on the end of your nose, or maybe you just need to sneeze. Again, label the sensation like we did before and let the feeling pass. Numbing and tingling sensations often do pass, but as a beginner, that can take some time to get used to. So let's learn how to move during meditation with intention. First, label the feeling. Itching, or nose, and wait for it to pass. But after some time, you are still distracted by this itch. So you've now made the decision to scratch the itch. But you will label this intention. Now, don't just throw your hand up to your face and go at it, but instead, you intentionally move, labeling and feeling every movement until you place your hand back on your knee, making each part of the movement deliberate. Now the itch is gone, and we return our awareness to the breath. So it's a constant process of observing the mind and then choosing again and again to return to the in and out of the breath. All right, so we've touched on some important things in this video today. One, not trying to force or stop the thoughts from coming, but instead observe the thought, label it, and then do your best to let it go. And then two, we talked about moving during meditation. You're absolutely trying to find stillness, but when you cannot, you move with as clear intention as possible. Thank you so much for joining me. Please tune back in for the last part of this video series, and I will discuss tips and guidelines for your personal meditation practice. Thank you so much. Namaste.